Hello guys, it's Ilias and Sparta with you again. We're here in Club Knyaz and we're testing our gears. So basically, as you can see, guys, use our uh, Night Visor helmet, our soft shield and foam sword for usual practices, because sometimes you don't want to put all your steel kit on the practices because it's bad for your back, bad for your neck, and we help you in Sparta to have same conditions in your helmet as the steel ones, because this one helmet is pretty good for guys who want to feel same bad visor, bad review, bad breeze in the steel helmet. So this one is help you to increase your durability, your stamina. So pretty cool helmet for beginners and for guys who have experience. So if you guys want to have good practices with cool equipment, you always can go to Sparta here with you, and always happy to help you. See you soon. Bye.